Hello, friends! Welcome to our channel for easy English practice with stories. Today, we bring you a new story called Find Your Strength. It's a short, exciting story to help you learn English. Listen carefully, repeat the words, and stay for the practice at the end. Let's begin! In a quiet village by a river, there lived a girl named Tara. Tara was helpful, but thought she was not special. Her friends could dance, draw, or swim, but Tara felt she had no skills. One day, she heard about a magical stone in the forest. People said the stone could show you your true strength. Tara wanted to find it, so she set off. The forest was dense, and the path was tricky. Soon, Tara reached a wide stream. She couldn't jump across. Looking around, she found some flat rocks. Tara placed the rocks in the stream to make stepping stones. She crossed carefully and felt happy for her idea. Next, Tara came to a steep hill covered in loose dirt. It was scary to climb, but she remembered her father saying, "Take small steps when things are hard." Tara took slow, steady steps and reached the top. She felt stronger already. At last, Tara found the magical stone. It glowed with a warm light. When she touched it, a gentle voice spoke. "Tara, your strength is inside you. You are smart to use rocks to cross the stream. You are patient to climb the hill. Your strength is your ideas and patience." Tara smiled widely. She felt proud and confident. When she returned to her village, she shared the stone's words. Tara started solving problems for others and never doubted herself again. Try this. Write a sentence in the comments using one word. For example, I am patient when I learn English. Helpful, kind, and ready to assist others. Example, Tara is a helpful girl. Smart, quick at thinking and solving problems. Example, Tara was smart to use rocks. Patient, calm, and not rushing when things are tough. Example, Tara was patient on the hill, confident, believing in yourself. Example, Tara felt confident after finding the stone. Try this. Write a sentence in the comments using one word. That's the end of Find Your Strength. Did you enjoy Tara's story? Share your sentence in the comments. Like this video, subscribe, and click the bell for more English stories. See you next time!